positive thing of all this is that we have one word, and that's hope. And hope equals opportunity, and opportunity equals hope, that there is a future and there will be a better day.
We're always having a continual battle between, trying to keep an infection, whether it goes septic or something like that, and then trying to manage it the best we can. I have a nice little solution I like to use to clean wounds and stuff, and we keep this thing nice and clean. So this is not a game. This is serious business. We kind of talked about it last night. For some of you folks, is that this is their reality. These guys are trapped here, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and you guys get to go out and eat hamburgers. Walt Plaza Armisen, he's stuck here in this position and stuff. So when you guys are talking about making an impact on people, you guys are very fortunate.